Today, what I'm going to be showing you is how to set a table dot setting. To lay a table, you get an ironed starched tablecloth, which is sometimes called a spring fold or concertina fold, which means the tablecloth has been folded into quarters. Now here I have a concertina fold placed at the center of the table. I release it to one edge of the table gently, and now I have the table laid. I check all the sides, check that they are all equal on the edges. Okay. Now, because I have a white tablecloth and white crockery, I would love to add a bit more of color by putting on the table these designed placemats. Now I have one on the center of the cover. Okay. So I start with the cutlery. Now I have my joint knife, which is always on the right hand side of the cover. I have my joint fork. Now, inserting the cutlery, you always ensure that you give an allowance of ½ inch. So I have here my fish knife. Immediately outside the joint knife, I have my fish fork. By the side of the joint fork, and my soup spoon immediately outside the fish knife. I'll be having my dessert fork immediately in front of the cover, and also the dessert spoon following that. Immediately beside the fish fork, I'll be having my side plate, because it's always placed on the left hand side of the cover. I would also have over it a side knife. Then the glasses. The water glass is always placed at the tip of the joint knife. Then I have my wine goblet. I have it turned upside down because my guests are not here. When they arrive, before they arrive, I just turn it over to get it ready for use. Now I place the table accompaniment, which comprises of the flower vase to beautify the table. I have the table number for table identification, and the cruet set, which is also called salt and pepper shaker. Then I have the plates as well. I have the joint plate, the soup bowl, and an under plate. For instance, if my guest is going to have a starter, that is a soup, I'll be having the soup plate and an under plate. But if he's going to have the main dish, I'll be using the joint plate. And this is what it is. Thank you.